such a beautiful day for a hike. All the leaves are changing colors. Best thing about the RCs is it gives me an excuse to get out and get some exercise. I think this is only like the third time I've been hiking this year, so thankfully I got the RCs to motivate me to try to start going out more right now, especially with the weather being so nice. Then this DSM off-road one-handed thumb wheel makes one-handed driving so much easier. That way I can film as we're walking down the trail. Hope y'all have a wonderful day.